Hey everybody, how you all doing? And welcome to the second video in this beginner workout video series. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, which was the ultimate abs and core workout, you can check it out by clicking on the link in the description box below. I'll also put it in the top right hand corner or at the end of today's video. But today, I want to show you a very simple but effective beginner fat loss workout. And let's get straight into it. I want to show you the workout structure. And then like yesterday, I'm going to take you through one complete round of this workout. So the structure is really simple. We've got 5 little combos. Each combo consists of a weight training exercise, a cardio exercise, and then we're going to do 15 seconds rest. So you're going to do the first exercise, 15 seconds. You're going to do the cardio exercise, 15 seconds, and then you're going to rest for 15 seconds. Then you move on to the second combo. You complete all 5 combos. Then you can take a 30-second to 60-second break, and then you'll repeat that 3 to 5 times depending on your own fitness levels. So as always, make sure you warm up, and then let me take you through this complete workout. We're going to get started with knee push-ups. So normal push-ups, but you go down onto your knees. Remember, this is a beginner workout. So if it's too easy, just do normal push-ups. And we're going to do it for 15 seconds. So 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to move into 15 seconds of jumping jacks. So just do as many as you can and go as fast as you can for 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to take a 15-second break. So stand there and look mean like I do, or drink a bit of water. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And then we're going to move on to the second combo. And we are going to start with 15 seconds of forward lunges. So let's get going. Proper form, proper technique. Remember, a nice step forward and then you go down. Don't lean too far forward. It's an up and down movement. 3 seconds to go. Then we're going to do 15 seconds of jumping jacks again. Remember, if jumping jacks is too easy, you can even go as far as doing sprints under spot or even burpees. That will make it a lot harder. 5 seconds to go. Then we have a 15-second break again. Remember, during this 15 seconds, wipe yourself down, have a bit of water, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. If you need longer break, this is the time to take it. And when you're just starting out, you might need a longer break. Next, we're going to do pike press. So get into position and then make sure you go forward and backwards. It's not up and down. So as you can see, my whole upper body is moving in a straight line, and the further back you put your feet, the easier it is. 3, 2, 1, and then we're going to do 15 seconds of jumping jacks again. Only 2 more combos. Keep pushing. 10 seconds. After this, you've got your 15-second break again. There we go. 15-second break. Remember, try and move as quickly between exercises so you can try and go for the full 15 seconds as much as possible. Next, we are going to do reverse lunges. So get into position and then 15 seconds. Let's go. Once again, a nice back step and down. Back and down. Keep pushing, we're almost there, 5 seconds. And we're going to go for 15 seconds of jumping jacks again. Let's go, push it, keep going. 10 seconds. Remember, at any stage, if you need more rest, just pause the video and take a break. 3, 2, 1, and 15 seconds of rest. After this, the final combo. And it's going to be close grip push-ups. So now we're going to focus more on those triceps. So you can get into position. 3, 2, 1. Final combo. So knee close grip push-ups. So your hands move down a lot further, closer to your hips. And they come closer together. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. And the last 15 seconds. Push as hard as you can. After this, guys, that is 1 round done. You can then start over again if 1 round was too easy, and you can do 3 to 5 rounds depending on your own fitness level. 3, 2, 1, there we go. So there you go, guys. A lot of fun, very simple, but please remember, this is a beginner workout. So if it's too easy for you, I've got over 12 years of extreme workout videos here on my channel. So just go and find and search for more advanced and extreme fat burning workouts. But this one is a lot of fun and it's perfect for people who are just starting out. As always, remember, if you don't know where to get started and you're looking for a complete workout and diet program, come and join my 100% free 7-day fat loss kickstart program at 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart. There you go, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Click on the like button if you like this video. Please share it with your friends and family members. Subscribe if you're not a member yet. And then, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. And remember, keep it simple and have fun out there. Bye-bye.